Apple TV price history. Apple TV has undergone several price changes over the years, reflecting new models, improved features, and evolving market trends. The pricing history includes different versions of Apple TV streaming devices and the Apple TV Plus subscription service. 1. First generation Apple TV, 2007. Apple launched the first Apple TV in 2007 for $299 with a 40 GB hard drive. A 160 GB model was later introduced for $399, but the prices were eventually reduced to $229 and $329 before being discontinued. Second generation Apple TV, 2010. Apple released the second generation Apple TV for $99, shifting from an internal hard drive to a streaming-based model. This version was more affordable and focused on digital content rather than local storage. Third generation Apple TV, 2012. The third generation Apple TV retained the $99 price tag but introduced 1080p support and a faster processor. It remained available until 2015 when Apple discontinued it in favor of newer models. Fourth generation Apple TV HD, 2015. Apple introduced the Apple TV HD with a starting price of $149 for 32 GB and $199 for 64 GB. This version featured the new tvOS, App Store support, and the Siri remote. Piyati. Apple TV 4K 2017. The first Apple TV 4K launched in 2017, starting at $179 for 32 GB and $199 for 64 GB. It introduced 4K HDR and Dolby Vision support, making it a major upgrade over previous models. Sixth Apple TV 4K 2021. In 2021, Apple updated the Apple TV 4K with a new processor and redesigned Siri remote, maintaining the same price. $179 for 32 GB and $199 for 64 GB. 7. Apple TV 4K 2022. Apple lowered the price with the 2022 Apple TV 4K release. The Wi-Fi model, 64 GB, was priced at $129, while the Wi-Fi plus Ethernet model, 128 GB, was $149, making it more competitive. 8. Apple TV Plus subscription, 2019 to present. Apple TV Plus launched in 2019 for $4.99 per month. In 2022, the price increased to $6.99 per month, and in 2023, it was raised to $9.99 per month. Apple also offers annual plans and bundles with Apple One. 9. Current pricing and value. As of today, Apple TV 4K is one of the most affordable high-end streaming devices, while Apple TV Plus remains a competitively priced streaming service, focusing on high-quality original content. Apple has consistently adjusted Apple TV's pricing to match technological advancements and market demands. While early models were expensive, recent versions offer greater value at lower prices. The Apple TV Plus subscription has also increased in price as its content library has grown.